How good is your Spanish? How many Spanish verbs do you really know? In this video, you'll test yourself with 70 essential verbs. Choose the correct answer. Let's begin. How do you say run?
Correr.
How do you say eat?
Comer.
How do you say sleep?
Dormir.
How do you say write?
Escribir.
How do you say open?
Abrir.
How do you say close?
Cerrar.
How do you say drink?
Beber.
How do you say read?
Leer.
How do you say speak?
Hablar.
How do you say listen?
Escuchar.
How do you say see?
Mirar.
How do you say watch?
Ver.
How do you say go?
Ir.
How do you say come?
Venir.
How do you say give?
Dar.
How do you say take?
Tomar.
How do you say make?
Hacer.
How do you say do?
Hacer.
How do you say?
Decir.
How do you say think?
Pensar.
How do you say no?
Saber.
How do you say want?
Querer.
How do you say need?
Necesitar.
How do you say find?
Encontrar.
How do you say use?
Usar.
How do you say work?
Trabajar.
How do you say call?
Llamar.
How do you say try?
Intentar.
How do you say ask?
Preguntar.
How do you say answer?
Responder.
How do you say buy?
Comprar.
How do you say sell?
Vender.
How do you say pay?
Pagar.
How do you say cost?
Costar.
How do you say play?
Jugar.
How do you say win?
Ganar.
How do you say lose?
Perder.
How do you say break?
Romper.
How do you say cut?
Cortar.
How do you say build?
Construir.
How do you say create?
Crear.
How do you say begin?
Empezar.
How do you say start?
Comenzar.
How do you say stop?
Parar.
How do you say continue?
Continuar.
How do you say change?
Cambiar.
How do you say move?
Mover.
How do you say live?
Vivir.
How do you say die?
Morir.
How do you say kill?
Matar.
How do you say love?
Amar.
How do you say hate?
Odiar.
How do you say like?
Gustar.
How do you say feel?
sentir,
How do you say touch?
tocar,
How do you say hold?
sostener,
How do you say drop?
dejar caer,
How do you say throw?
lanzar,
How do you say catch?
atrapar,
How do you say fall?
caer,
How do you say rise?
subir,
How do you say sit?
sentarse,
How do you say stand?
pararse,
How do you say walk?
caminar,
How do you say jump?
saltar,
How do you say swim?
nadar,
How do you say fly?
volar,
How do you say drive?
conducir,
How do you say ride?
montar,
How do you say travel? Viajar. Thanks for watching the video. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more quizzes. See you in the next one.